going on YouTube? Welcome back. Scoop One here. First of all, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope everybody had a great holiday. It's been a few days since I made a video. I got a week 17 unboxing. Week 18 didn't go as planned. I did not get the bear. Let's just move on from that. I have a little unboxing from week 17 that I never got to do, as well as I got a live cop for you guys. Hopefully I can cop them Yeezys. They come out today. Yeezy Supply exclusive, the Reflective 350 Statics. I'm excited for them. Hopefully I can cop. Doesn't really matter if I get one size or the other. I'm definitely excited to get them. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Like I mentioned, this is from week 17, and I don't have my usual scissors here, so let me just tear into this one. Alright. Classic Supreme bag. And looks like I got, oh, nice sticker pack. Marvin Gaye kind of hat sticker pack. Did they send me any BOGOs? Nope, not this time. Anyway, I doubled up on the neck gaiter. Snowflake neck gaiter. Tan colorway. In my opinion, the best color. I'm not going to take this one out of the bag because you guys already saw it in my other, one of my other unboxings. And the second thing that I got here was the Smile Tee. There you go, Smile Tee. Pretty dope, size large as always. That's it for the package I got from week 17. Like I mentioned, week 18 I didn't get anything. Last week of the season is tomorrow. Hopefully I can get a few things. I did want to grab a couple of headbands. Hopefully I can get at least two. I want to grab the black and the natural. Maybe one more, maybe that bluish colorway. I'm not too sure about that, but I'm gonna at least try to get the two. You know, hopefully I get one. I don't want to get greedy. I do want to at least get the classic, the black one. So I do love that font. It's gonna have the same font as this right here. Classic Supreme font. But yeah, hopefully I get that. I want to get the gloves, the red colorway. I love the black colorway. Doesn't really look that appealing to me, if I'm being honest. If I'm gonna go ahead and resell them though, yeah, take the black pair. But for me personally, I'm gonna go for the red pair and for the headband. Those two things. I don't really think I'm gonna go for much else besides that. Let's go ahead and get these Yeezys. The drop is today at 12. Hopefully it's, you know, right at 12. I don't want to be wasting my time. Be waiting 30 minutes max. If I get them, I get them. If not, I don't. Resale value on them actually, to me, doesn't really make too much sense, because if there are 5,000 pairs of them, they should be a lot more valuable than what they're going for. But that's neither here nor there. I'm just here to get a pair for personal. Alright guys, here we are. It's about to be 12 o'clock. And it looks like the website is already down. Let's just keep trying to refresh. And here we go. Boom, size 5.5. It's not letting me add it. Let's do a 4.5. Damn, now I got two in my cart. Let's take one out. Website is definitely crashing. And here we are. Now I'm in line. I'll just go ahead and fast forward all of this for you guys. Still in line. Still in line. It is 12:07. 12:09. Still in line. 12:13. 12:14. All right, here we go. I just submitted my payment information. 12:17. Boom. Copped. Size 5.5. $220 total. $20 shipping. $240 for these shoes. Definitely glad I got them. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the live cop week 19 Supreme, the last drop of the season. If you guys like this type of content, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.